I am Santosh Gondrao. Today date is 20th December 2021. Today topic is um static keywords in Java. As, two types of modifiers. One is a assess modifier and a non-assess modifier. Static is the non-assess modifier. Static is the keywords in Java. Keywords are the reserved words that cannot be used as identifiers. In total, there are 57 keywords in Java. One among static. In this article, I will we give a brief insight into the how static keywords in Java applicable for the various aspects of programming. Introduction to static keywords in Java. Static keyword is mainly used to memory management. It can be used to variable, method, blocks, and nested classes. It is the keywords which is used to share the same variable or method of given class. Basically, static is used to constant variable or method that is the same every instance of the class. The main method of the class is generally labeled static. In other order to create a static members, blocks, variable, methods, nested class, you need to precede its declaration with the keyword static. When members of the class is declared as a static, it can be accessed before the object of its class are created and without any object reference. In Java programming language, static keywords are non-access modifier and can be used for uh, below static block, static variable, static method, and static classes, nested classes. First one is a static block. If you need to compute the order initialize your static variable, you can declare the static block and that get executed exactly once. When a class is first loaded, take a look at the below program to understand the uses of static block. Static variable: when you declare a variable as static, then a single copy of the variable is created and divided among all of the object. Static variable is are essential global variable. Basically, all the instance of the class share the same static variable. Static variable can be created at class level only. Static variable example: student college name is static, and name of student and name of roll number is non-static. Static methods: when a method is declared with the static keywords is known as static method. The most common example of static method is main method. Methods are declared as static can be have following restriction. Static method: when a method is declared static keywords, it is known as static method. The most common example of static method is main method. A restriction of the static method is it is not used this and super keyword, and the methods static is the they are can directly call the other non cannot be called directly non-static method. They are access static data directly only. uh, Sorry, why use static keywords in main method? Because of we use a static keyword in main method because the static keyword is directly call the class and without any creative object. And next sorry uh, static block is the yeah, above the main method, we declare a static any static mm, any static argument they directly print without any creative object. And we we thank you for watching.